Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, August 30th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this upcoming Labor Day weekend. There's no homework in math, science, social studies, language, arts, or literature. One thing you can be doing this weekend is enjoy your time off, watch some football, go Warriors, go Buckeyes. You could also be reading some AR as 2 weeks are coming up. The first couple weeks in September, we're going to have a halfway point for our AR points that will be due. One thing I do want to make note of is in CNL, get a parent signature on the FCCLA letter that's due Tuesday, September 3rd. However, those that are not in CNL or in FCS 6 right now during the first 12 weeks, some people were given letters today in Warrior Time. There's a video right here. You hover over, if you click the link, you can then click to go to the video and read over the letter with your parents. All right, you're not required to be an affiliated FCCLA member, but the opportunity is available to you. If that is something that you would like, please bring the FCCLA letter back with a signature by Friday of next week. You can turn that into your Warrior Time or into Mrs. Music. That's it for today. Everyone have a great holiday weekend, and we'll see you all on Tuesday the 3rd.